Teacher Alvin TV. Please subscribe and share.
Industrial Arts 6, Week 5, Day 2. I am Teacher Alvin, your TLRP teacher. What are the objectives of packaging and labeling? So, as in our previous class, we will discuss about the objectives of packaging and labeling. What are the type of packaging? What is your favorite website? Have you experienced the annoying pop-up ads while browsing your favorite website? These are ads that promote something about products or services. Sample of web page that promotes or advertise a product. What can you see from this web page? What website is this? What is Lazada known for? Of course, Lazada is an online product selling website. Here in the Philippines, not only Lazada, but we will have our TikTok shop and Shopee and Shein. Okay, we can buy products in Lazada and different online products selling website. Medium of marketing products. First, we have print and graphic arts media. Depending on the type of message you want to communicate to your customers, print media offers different options, including brochures, business cards, newspaper ads, and magazines. Next, we will have our electronic media. Electronic media is a general term for any media that requires an electronic device for the content to be accessed. Some of the most common form of electronic media include television, radio, internet, and content for mobile devices, smartphone. And of course, we have the promotional gifts. Like pens, earrings, and calendars can be given to individuals and groups that you know personally to help create a positive opinion of your company and improve its reputation. We will have our group activity. Working in group, have the pupil discuss how to promote, market a product, project, or add or word choices using the following technologies. We will have 5 technologies. So group 1, you use television. Group 2, social media. Group 3, smartphone. Group 4, brochures or newspaper. And group 5, promotional gift. Example, calendars, pen, and keychain. And of course, we will have our individual activities. So, kids ready for our individual activity. Give at least 3 among the technologies. Which do you think are the most effective medium of promoting a product? Discuss and why. The number of pupils enrolled in your school is decreasing. How will you attract more enrollees to register in your school this coming enrollment? What are the effective technologies in promoting a product? We will have our activity number 1, electronic media crossword puzzle. Direction, answer the puzzle below. I will give you 10 seconds to think about the answer or to think the answer of our puzzle. Okay, we will have our number 1. So we're gonna have down. Number 1, content captures more audience time than any other media and is targeted at whole audience. So what is your answer, kids? Okay, that's right. The number 1 is television. Okay, so kagandahan natin ang pagkasulat. Television. Okay, number 2, forward down. Allow for marketing tactics that let you reach customers directly on their mobile devices. Okay, so what is your answer? Okay, right. This is smart design. Okay, next, number 4 is cost-effective and the audiences is usually loyal to a station program formats. Okay, what is your answer, kids? That's right, it's radio. Across. Okay, we can answer the across. Number 2, marketing encourages online interaction between your customers and your business using various social networking sites. Okay, what is your answer in our number 2, across? Yes, it's correct. It's social media. Okay, last one, number 3, offers you a variety of different ways to market your products or services on a website or by email. What is your answer, kids? Yes, that's right. This is internet. Okay, very good, kids. Job well done. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hope that my video give you a lot of information about the topic. And shout out grade 6 Sapagita, grade 6 Lerio, grade 6 Camia, grade 6 Daisy, grade 6 Orchids, grade 6 Rosal, grade 6 Sunflower, grade 6 Tulips, and grade 6 Santan.